Now, you don't always have to do this. You could powder your face first, but I'm just going to go straight with this. And I'm going to lightly dust it, lightly, very lightly. Because, like I said, it's a purpley color. And I'm going to get these edges. I know that it looks like a purpley color. We're going to help that, y'all. Right on the bridge of the nose. I'm going to do it again on the other side. Again, it's this color right here. I'm tapping into it very lightly, tapping it off. You can smile and just dot it on if you want to have a little more control. I was just very lightly swirling it. Okay, now what you can see, any leftover I'm going to use down here, is that it's very pink. I know that was my intention. And a lot of younger girls go from here back when you're older and your jowls start dropping. You may want to bring the contour in a little bit just to try to still give you this not droops looking so droopy. Okay, so eyes are done, except for we are going to blend a little. Let me get a blending brush. There we go. I'm just going to blend out this line, both sides. And then just quickly through there just to make the line that is in between, not so dramatic, and then also kind of round out the edges. Just slightly blend. Don't overblend. Like I told you, sometimes I even just use the meaty part of my hand to kind of go through here and see if there's any part on the edge that I just want to blend out a little bit. So this gives me a very naturally flushed look, by the way, because this is a purpley pink, and for my skin tone being so blue, that works very, very well. However, it is a bit much. It is a little strong. So one of the things you can do is just get a powder if you want to. You can leave it this way because it's going to fade. But I'm going to use out of my Sigma just a little, it's like it says pet name, but it's a little bit of a toner of this kind of a color. It's almost like doing powder on the face. Especially up here where it was kind of pinky. This adds a little more of the contoury look. So it doesn't look so, you know, I don't know, pink, because you're adding browns. And again, I'm going right under the chin, right here at the jowls, and then make your line, but blend it down, past your ear and down. Again, blend it. Right there at the jowl point. See these things? That's where you blend from, back, past your ear. Make sure you blend real good so there's no lines. And you want this to be a little darker on purpose. I have a very bulbous chin, so I even do the very end of it. And it just helps it look like a shadow. Okie dokie, there's that. And I would say, mainly because of that color being on there, and also because you got to figure out which are your best colors. And again, I can still use these rust tones. You just have to decide what's the outfit you're wearing, and like they would have gone with this outfit because I'm wearing, you know, a hunting shirt. Because my husband's been hunting all weekend. He's coming home, so I just want to look like his hunting wife, even though I don't hunt. But anyway, so if you want to touch something up, I could use a pencil brush and just really roll it, the tip in, because it's tapered. Tap it off and just make sure you get that inner corner really good, and then right under the brow really good, right there on the edge. There we are, right there on the tip, and right there on that edge again. It just wakes up the eye. So if you're feeling like it's too heavy. Also, if you want to blend this down some, you can. But I'm telling you, as the day goes on, I don't care how good the makeup is, it always wears off because you sweat. So then always kind of pull your bangs down a little and cover so it looks a little more natural, the toning in there. I love the palette, y'all. I really do. Okay, so now what do we got to do? Well, we got to put on a little liner and a little mascara. So I'm going to do my eyelash curler first. Because what we have found is when I do the eyelash curler after I put the eyeliner on, the eyelash curler, after when it pulls off, it takes it right back off. And today I am going to use waterproof. And let's see, which one shall we use? Which one shall we use? How about, who's that? Armani Eyes to Kill. That's not waterproof. I'll use it though. Alright, this is Armani Eyes to Kill, and I think this may be old, y'all, because I do not remember when I bought this. It's very expensive, and so I guess that's why I would not let myself throw it away. But it's not waterproof, and so it'll be interesting to see if it holds the curl I just did. Always tip out the ends first, so they'll show up. And people say, look, see, when you do that, when you do that eyelash curl, it makes your eyelashes come out. Y'all, your eyelashes come out all day anyway. That may help it come out, but they were going to come out anyway. So, no, I don't think it's the eyelash curl. I've been using eyelash curlers my whole life, and until I got older lately, like the last 4 or 5 years, I've had fairly good eyelashes as far as length, and my whole life I've never had a lot of volume. I've thought a lot about trying things like Latisse. What do y'all think? Have y'all tried Latisse? Because your ophthalmologist gives it to you, and he's an eye surgeon, so I would trust him, you know? Y'all, do you realize I just forgot my liner, and I also just mushed right on my eyelid? That's okay. We're going to fix it. I'll show you how to fix it. Alright, so we're tipping towards the nose, these inner ones, and therefore I got a boo-boo on the nose. And you can wiggle a little bit just to make sure it goes either side of the lash. Yeah, that's just too noticeable. I got to get that right now while it's wet. So the best thing to do is to get a cotton bud. These are not Q-tips. They are pointed and they're very hard. You would never put this in your ear. It's meant for makeup. And it's very precise is what I like about it. The other end looks like it's a cotton bud till you turn it sideways. It's very flat. Again, very easy to get makeup off this way. So that's why I like it. Alright, so let's do it again. Let's fix it before it dries in this weird position now. And I'm just going to kind of go really slow so I can bend them back a little bit from where we just messed up. Oh, it messed it up again. Just must be a place where it comes through easy. So I'm going to have to do it again. You can't ever reuse them either. Because the reason they work is because it's so dry it just takes whatever's on there right off. Just try to do it a little slower. I'm trying to hurry. I think that's it. I need to go. But I got to do prayer requests first. Alright, there we go. If y'all haven't already, on my other channel, Beth Buchanan Pure Bible, we have prayer chains going, and lots of people are writing in for prayer requests, and I take that very seriously. So I'm not going to leave until I do today's. There we go. That's kind of the complete look, and if you wanted to, you could add 2, 3 more coats. Y'all know me, I will. Again, I'm going to tip it out too because I felt like it didn't take very good the first time. It's supposed to be such great mascara, by the way. I remember Tiffany, Makeup by Tiffany D is the one that got me to start this. That was years ago. But I mean, this isn't that old, but I remember that's what gave me an interest in it at all. What Tiffany D has the longest lashes I have and thickest lashes I've ever seen. They're not curly. They're super long though, and they're even natural with nothing on. They are. It's her real lashes. So you know you've got to think about things like that. You can't compare yourself to someone who, especially watch these ads where they do before and afters. Watch closely at their lashes when they have nothing on. They're kind of like powdery white. Matter of fact, I think they do that on purpose, so you can't really tell that the models they've got had super long lashes anyway, so that they can say it's not been doctored. Well, no, it's not, but then most people don't have lashes like them either. There we go. There we go. See, that's 2. This is 1. Actually, that is not taking as well as this side did. Because I feel like when I do this second one, it's really gonna be a lot of mascara. It is, look at that. Now see, I don't mind a little bit of clumpiness. Can you see that? I don't mind that on the tip ends, as long as you kind of smooth it out. Don't make it look like a big, huge clump. Unless you like that. But I do like when they kind of connect together like that, because it makes them look a little more substantial. And then when you're doing the lower lashes, always just point them down, straight down. You can just use the tip end to do that. And also, again, just running the wand. You have to squint so that it doesn't hit below. Velvet's upset about somebody. Oh, our neighbor's making noises. There we go. That looks a little better. It's probably a UPS or a, I feel like not enough's getting on that inner area. Like I'm kind of over tipping it, but it's because it's just not taking for some reason. That's not the makeup, that's just me. There we go. And of course when I did that it twisted. There. It's made it even enough on this side now. There. Y'all, do y'all ever have some lashes that just want to go in some funky direction? So that's what happened just now. But anyway, this is the completed look. I do like this palette a lot. So tell me what you think. And I will see y'all at prayer requests on Beth Buchanan Pure Bible. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!